Hi! In front of me is BLACKVIEW Tab 12, and today I would like to show you how you can manage auto rotation on this device. First of all, you need to access Tab menu. Now look for direction lock icon, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now blue. That means that auto rotation is disabled, but you can always enable it by tapping on the same icon again. If you want to, you can also go into settings, select display, and click on this switcher next to direction lock to turn off or on auto rotation. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!